Welcome! In this short video, we explain what relational data is and how it allows you to realize the value of your data stored outside the Emarsys platform. To walk you through the relational data features, we have created a simple use case. Diego, Aisha, and Khaled purchased a product in the category football more than 90 days ago. I want to send them and other contacts like them an offer for a brand new product in the same category so that they purchase again. First, let's go over the basics. Databases store data in tables. If these tables can be connected, we call them relational databases. For example, you have past sales data in one of your tables. Here, you store the order ID, the customer email address, the product ID, price, and the date of purchase. In another table, you have your products with product ID, title, and so on. In this case, the product ID is your relation. In our use case, the relationship between the two tables will be the football category product with the product ID. Based on this relationship, you can create views including information from both tables. Views create subsets of your actual data that provide actionable insights for you to use in your marketing strategy. In this case, you have a view that lets you segment and target contacts with a campaign to make people like Khaled purchase in the football category. Because we know he loves football, so we want to target him with related products. This is a very simple example, but imagine it on a bigger scale. Think of the millions of customer visits and hundreds of thousands of purchases that happen every day. All of this collected data can be used to improve personalization and segmentation immeasurably. Let me show you how this works in the platform. First, navigate to Add-ons, Relational Data. Please note that the tabs here depend on your account configuration and contract with Emarsys. On the Connections tab, I can edit and delete already set up connections. To create a new connection, I click here and choose a connection type. Then I configure it on the Tables and Views tab. I click on the Personalization Settings icon and set Category, Status, and Email as reference fields. Reference fields allow you to match your contact records from external databases with the Emarsys contact database. With this being set, I can already find Khaled's email and his favorite category, football, in the personalization preview. Now, I navigate to Segment Templates. By using these templates, you can use SQL to predefine complex scenarios. You can use these templates to create relational segments. Let me quickly show you how to create a new relational segment template. I select my connection, define my template, and create parameters on the left. Then, I write the SQL query on the right using my parameters. After that, I choose the reference fields and test my query. Looks good. I save my segment template, navigate to Contacts, Segments, and create a relational segment. I name it, choose my template, and simply set the values. After saving, it is ready to use as a recipient source in my block-based email. To display the brand new product from the football category in the campaign, I need to set up relational data personalization tokens. You can do this at the Content Personalization page or directly in the email content creation on the Personalization tab. I create a token for the product image and product title. Then I add them to my product block from the Relational Data section. With the Contact preview, I can check what Khaled's email will look like. Now that you are familiar with how to use relational data, let me show you our administration tools. On the dashboard, the widgets show the status of the connections and uploaded data. The Personalization Health widget shows the status of the connections. Click this button to see a detailed table on the data quality page. The widget next to it displays the queries and average response time of the slowest tables and views. The Data Quality tab provides further information on API errors and the response time for your tables and views used for personalization. Click the graph icon to drill down into any table or view to get a performance trend from the logged response times. Relational Data lets you decide how you want to slice or dice your own data and use it in campaigns so that you can deliver more mature and impactful personalization as well as tighter and more focused segmentation. And that's how Relational Data can work for you. We hope that you enjoyed this session.